Hey there, I'm Chris,
And I'm Ben.
and we are with Swartz Restoration. We are here in Bellefontaine to let you know that if you experience any sort of water damage in your home or your business, we are here to help. So maybe it's a leaky faucet that saturates the floor. Maybe it's a supply line on your dishwasher or your washing machine that breaks and soaks down to the basement. Maybe it's your sump pump backing up. Or maybe it's a storm rolls through the area and leaves your home with all sorts of water damage. We're here to help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild after the fact.
Absolutely. You know, we've been in business for over 36 years, and it's always been our desire to help care for people who are going through different types of disasters, whether it's water, whether it's fire, whether it's storm damage. So if you find yourself in one of these situations, feel free to call our office for 24-hour service at 419-331-1024, or check us out on our website at swartzrestoration.com.